Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have the Butterfly Lock unit by Zury Hollywood, and I do have her in the color number 1, and this is how she looks. She is so freaking beautiful, and I'm going to show you guys whether or not there is gappage in space. Now there is a little bit of gappage in space, as you guys can see there, but I feel like the wig is nice and full and it still looks very nice. As far as the cap construction, I feel like it's average to big head friendly. It does come with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also comes with a 4x5 lace parting area, which this lace is very nice. As you guys can see, it's already melting right into the skin. Of course I will have to go in and tint it, but it is looking nice. And the hairline looks nice and natural, and the baby hairs are nice as well. I'm just giving you guys a 360 so you guys can see how it falls from all sides, but I think it looks really good. So yeah, here is the party space. It looks amazing. I'm just like blown away. Like, look at how great that looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit and make it work for me, and then of course you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. On my toe, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine, make a man wanna press the wine.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so I was super excited to see this bob, okay, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's a butterfly lock bob. Like, I've been wanting to try butterfly locks for the longest, and I was just like, thank God, because I would have had to make my own wig if I would have tried this one. I might have to, because I do want this wig in another color, but you know, it's sold out everywhere, so yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I was super excited to see this come out. Nobody else on the market right now in the synthetic wig realm that I am aware of have a butterfly lock wig, so shout out to Zury for going ahead and stepping up and be like, we gonna try it. So yeah, like I said before, this is the butterfly lock wig. That is the name of the style, or actually it's Bomb Butterfly Lock. I have her in the color number 1 today, and she is from the Diva collection. This unit does have a 4x5 inch free part space. As you guys seen, you can go ahead and do like a side part, middle part, whatever, half up, half down, whatever you would like to do. This is a knotless braided wig, so the knots are not as like apparent. So yeah, and I think they did a really good job. I think that this wig is really neat. The butterfly locks, in my personal opinion, are very beautiful. I do think that they come off very natural. And one thing that I like about them, which I know it probably is weird, I love how neat they are. Now I know that it looks messy, but it's neat for a butterfly lock wig, and I really do like that. So I feel like it's going to last me a lot longer, so yeah, I really do like that. I also really like the lace on this unit. The lace on this unit is very nice. It does melt down into the skin very easily. Now on here it doesn't say that this is like a HD lace or anything like that, but the lace is really nice. I also like the fact that the lace is not like super starky. It is like a brown color. I did still have to add my powder to make this work for me, but it's not starky, so I feel like it could possibly and potentially match someone out there, so that's really good. So as far as the overall style, I really do like it. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Now what I will say is, I feel like if I wanted to wear it in the middle part, I would definitely probably have to like flatten this out a little bit, because I feel like it doesn't look like as natural in the middle part on me. Or maybe it's like because I'm wearing a full shirt, I feel like maybe in the middle part I would like to have my décolleté showing, and maybe that will make it look better. But for me, I don't know, with this t-shirt I'm like, like filling the side part. I will say if you wanted to lay like super flat, you might have to go in and like dip it to make it flatter, or you can go ahead and eliminate some locks. For me personally, I don't want to eliminate any locks. Not right now, because I may have to do that if any of them starts to get old, and I just don't want to do that at the beginning of my unit, of having this unit. But obviously it's up to you if you want to do that. But for me, I would rather just like dip it and kind of like condense it down. I didn't do that yet because obviously I just tried this unit out today, but I know in the future when I want to wear it in the middle part and expose my décolleté, because I feel like that would be so freaking sexy, I am gonna go ahead and dip it and make it like lay a little bit flatter. But overall, I do really like this unit. I feel like she's very, very beautiful. I think Zury did an amazing job. Also wanted to just go ahead and talk about the hairline. Hairline is blending down very flawlessly, and they also did an impeccable job on the baby hairs, so I really do like them. Like, they are just gorgeous. I did go ahead and trim them down just for my personal preference. You definitely don't have to do that, but I do like the fact that they offered the option for you to be able to do that. And overall, I think that they did an amazing job on this unit. I love the fact that they used a braided cap. I also love the fact that they did not put too many locks on this unit. Now, you do have some sparse areas, but you're not able to see them. They're not like apparent, like just with me wearing the unit. I don't know if you guys can see back there. I would definitely have to move it for you guys to be able to see that space, but I feel like it would have been way too full if they would have put a lock on every single braided part of this unit. Okay, so I feel like they did a really decent job. And yeah, I'm here for it. I'm kind of mad that they're sold out because I want like a blonde and a burgundy one. And yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get my hand on that. It does have quite a few colors. All the colors are down here. So they have like 613, 41B, Assam RT, or Assam 27, Assam 30, Assam burgundy. So they have like a bunch of colors to pick from, but you know, it's sold out. I'm so sad because I think I wanted like the 27 color. I even kind of want to try the 613 color because it just looks so beautiful. Like, because these butterfly locks are beautiful. I feel like they complement a lot of people very well. So I'm here for it. I think that we need to give kudos to Zury because they did an amazing job, especially for this being the first attempt in the synthetic wig realm at a butterfly lock wig. But yeah, I would say if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below. But she sold out, and rightfully so, because you see her, she looks amazing. And yeah, I feel like her price point is also really good. So yeah, that's probably why she sold out, because she's under $100. And yeah, I mean, can you beat that? But I will have a link in the description box below in case they should become available again, or they do like a restock. You can keep checking it. Do apologize, don't be mad at me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. Let me know how you think I did. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know what you rock this unit. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.